Yeah, it's definitely, it's growing, but it's definitely growing. Oh, looks good.
Like a that's one way. And then this is the other way where you twirl it in a circle. Because this is your front, you want it to be nice and fluffy up here. Let me add some of this serum.
Girl, this is not Miss Jessica. This is in Miss Paul's class.
Oh, Miss Paul. Yeah, that's what I said.
You said Miss Taylor.
No, I said I said skin class, skincare class. But thank you, love. And you put the book in there?
Yep.
Oh,
Put
thank
your
you.
pencil.
She's the
Thank you.
You're the best.
Thank you.
Miss Jaylene, can you answer your extension, please?